Morning guys, in front of me is TCL 50 SE, and let me show you how to update apps. First of all, open your Play Store. Now mark your account icon and here select Manage Apps and Device. Here you've got updates, mark C details to open all apps that can be updated. And now you've got two options. You can either update each app separately. Wakey. Okay, so let me open it one more time, okay, so this is how it works. Just tap on update right next to particular app icon and then it will be done. Or you can update all apps at once by tapping on update all. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way and it will be done in the background. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.